Have you ever heard about a time when a small problem causes a bigger problem? Well, air conditioning systems can be that way in the summer, and I'm going to show you the smallest problems that can actually ruin your furnace if you're not paying attention. Stick around, we're going to talk about that coming up next. Hey friends, Ryan Reynolds here with Keller Williams Consultants Realty with this month's quick tip. So today we're talking about the drain line coming from your air conditioning condensate to the actual drain in the floor, or to potentially a pump in some cases. It's important to keep that drain line open because the way a furnace is built is that you essentially have your furnace part down here along with your air handler, which is the fan, and you have your air conditioning A coil up here, which is where the cooling lines go to cool the air. What happens is the fan down here blows air up across the A coil, and then that air goes through the cooling lines, the cooling fins, and that gets distributed through your house with the ductwork. Well, one of the results of cooling air is that it produces moisture that condenses onto the A coil, and then that water has to go somewhere. Well, what happens is if that drain line gets clogged up, or if the opening from the tray into the actual drain line gets clogged up, then water can back up inside the furnace. And one of the bad things of the way these are designed is with the A coil on top, if water gets backed up, it can overflow and go down into the furnace part, which would potentially start to corrode your heat exchanger. It could go down and get into your fan and cause problems with the bearings or even corrosion there. And it can also get into the electronics, which could immediately just toast the furnace. So if you want to save thousands of dollars, the best thing you can do is to take care of your furnace by checking on your condensate maybe once a month. So when I say checking on, I mean really just checking to make sure that it's open and flowing, and if it's not, or even if it is, it's a good idea to clean that line out just to make sure that it continues to be open and flowing. So in most furnaces, what you're going to have is you're going to have this white PVC line. It's a 1-inch line coming out, and it'll connect to a T. In this case, it connects to an elbow, and then it goes down and actually curls around underneath the furnace and goes into the floor drain there. Sometimes when it comes down here, and you won't go into a floor drain, but you'll go into a condensate pump, and then it'll be pumped into a drain somewhere else. Either way, the water needs to get through that condensate line down to the floor drain, and if it doesn't, again, we have problems. So really what you could do is, if you have the T, all you need to do is run a small snake down the line there. And when I say a snake, I mean it's like a cable that you just throw down there and just kind of shove it down, make sure everything's open and still flowing. You could also pour some hot water, or maybe even some water with a little bit of vinegar in it, something like that, just to clean that line out. So in this case, on this furnace, it does not have the T like I mentioned, and so really what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to take this apart, and that means probably cutting it and then rebuild that drain line so that it does have a T on top. But that's probably outside of the purview of this video. The key thing to understand is that you need to pay attention to that drain line. You should probably do it when you pay your mortgage. Just run down the basement, check that. You need to probably check your sump pump and a few other things too, but take a look at that drain and maybe pour a bunch of water down it, or run the snake through it, or just do something to keep that line open. Well, that's all we have for you in this month's quick tip. Again, my name is Ryan Reynolds with Keller Williams Consultants Realty and the Ryan Reynolds team. As always, we're guiding you to the home that fits your life.